state health department says that Washington state is headed for a whooping cough record. This is a state health alert for you now. The new information released just today shows there have been 549 cases of pertussis through March 24th, and that's up 86 cases in just a week. The previous record was set back in 2005 with more than 1,000 cases for the year. The health department says that whooping cough levels have already reached epidemic levels in 6 counties, including Snohomish. So far now, no one has died this year from the condition. That's the good news.